Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and notification icon now to never miss out on our new videos. The book The First 90 Days emphasizes the importance of clearly defining and communicating objectives and expectations to key stakeholders. This includes setting clear, measurable goals and communicating them to all relevant parties, including the board of directors, executive team, employees, and customers. This enables everyone to understand the objectives and expectations and align their efforts towards achieving them. The book also stresses the importance of involving key stakeholders in the process, seeking their input and feedback, and making sure that everyone is working towards the same objectives. By doing this, the book advises that leaders can ensure that everyone is on the same page, and that everyone understands their role in achieving the objectives. Additionally, the book highlights the importance of continuously assessing and adjusting objectives and expectations as needed, to ensure progress towards the goals and to make sure that the goals are still relevant and achievable. This helps leaders to stay aligned with their goals and make the necessary adjustments to achieve them. An example of clearly defining and communicating objectives and expectations to key stakeholders would be a new CEO of a company who is taking over the leadership role. First, the CEO would clearly define the objectives and expectations for the company, such as increasing revenue by 20% in the next fiscal year, reducing costs by 15%, and improving customer satisfaction by 10%. Next, they would communicate these objectives and expectations to key stakeholders, including the board of directors, executive team, employees, and customers. The CEO would make sure that everyone understands the goals and how they fit into the overall strategy of the company. To ensure that the objectives and expectations are being met, the CEO would establish metrics and tracking systems to measure progress and would regularly report the results to the stakeholders. Lastly, in order to keep stakeholders engaged and aligned with the company's goals, CEO would involve them in the process, seeking their input and feedback, and making sure that everyone is working towards the same objectives. By doing this, the CEO is setting clear expectations, involving all the relevant parties, and providing a framework for regular follow-up and communication. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, subscribe and click on the notification icon to never miss out on new videos. Follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Thank you.